Craft-grade aluminum, tiny design, much smaller than the picture shows. Non-slip design with 3.5mm stock length. Coil-loss motor inside, the pen won't heat up after working 3 hours, less noise, and it saves power than ordinary ones. Tattoo artists' apprenticeship programs are typically unpaid and last anywhere between a few months to 2 or 3 years. This kit is for tattoo beginners with 13 to 24 months. How to use the wireless tattoo pen kit. Rotate to lock the needle, otherwise the needle will escape. Rotate the wireless power supply directly to adjust the needle depth. Press and hold the power button for 2 to 3 seconds to turn it on. Click the power button to adjust the voltage. Very appreciated the best tattoo artists for sharing their tattoo works, and please follow them on YouTube.